Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change Hostinger domain name. So Hostinger does not refund after you have paid for domain name, we can only refund payment for hosting your domain. So if you bought wrong domain, you pretty much messed up because you can't refund that, you can only refund your hosting. So it is easy to do, just write a support. And as you can see, here's a help button. I need support to refund, and as you can see, we will write you a transaction number or ID where you find at billing, and after that you'll be able to refund your hosting and try to refund domain. But for me, it was like you can't refund hosting your domain name. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I know that you probably hear bad news, but it is what it is. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one. Peace.